Hey, we're getting ready to smoke a ham that's already been smoked. What? Okay, we're getting ready to smoke a ham that's already been smoked. Okay, we're going to prepare this. I'm going to make slices in it, around it. Turn this around. Yeah. Okay, now the smoke can penetrate into that. I'm going to place this in the smoker, and let me see what the temperature is on that real quick. Temperature's falling, but it needs to fall a little more. I think it'll be all right, though. It's at 330, but I set it back down to 225, so it's going to be cooling down. I think I'm just going to go ahead and set it in there, and that'll give it time. We're going to put it in there about 30 minutes, 45 minutes or so. We will be putting this side down. The protector's off and everything, so we're going to put this side down. Okay, you can see the ham there. I'm wanting them areas where I sliced on it to kind of open up a little bit so that glaze can get inside. So we'll look at it and determine then when we need to add the glaze. I'm going to go in and prepare our glaze. 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 cup of pineapple juice. Bring everything to a boil. Then add a little bit of cornstarch as it's cooling to thicken it just a little bit. I'll put the recipe in the description below. Okay, the ham's been in there maybe 15 minutes. We have an internal temperature of 50 degrees, so it's going to be a bit before it comes up. It should rise all right. This is a pre-cooked ham, pre-smoked, and we're re-smoking it. And we'll see how it turns out. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's set there where the glare is off of it. Temperature is at 235 right now, holding steady. Okay, there's our glaze. We're getting ready to brush it on now. It has been in there for about, I think about 50 minutes actually. I went a little longer than I said I would, but I think it's ready for some glaze now. Yeah, we'll just kind of brush it on here. Mix that up a little bit. Make sure. Just put it all around there really good. Just get it on there. I think that's going to turn out pretty good. Well, I tell you what, that's going to make your tongue slap out your teeth. Really looks good. Well, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it looks like the temperature's running about 235. So hopefully it's not in the glare. It's holding steady. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes, about 10 minutes, and put some more glaze on it. Well, the ham appears to be getting some color to it. Still smoking real good there. Temperature running about 220. Let it sit there and ought to be good. Now we'll brush on another bit of glaze. Now we'll let that go. Check it again. I think I checked the internal temperature on the monitor inside. I forgot to bring it out, but it's seems to be reading about 93 degrees internal. It shouldn't take too much longer. It's probably about 93, I think, is what I checked on the temperature there inside on the wireless monitor. I didn't bring it out here with me, but it's starting to look really good. It's getting a nice color to it. And we'll add some more glaze before we're done. Okay, it looks like we're up to 102 internal on the ham, and shouldn't like too much longer here. It's looking good. I kicked it up to 250. It's on it. It's getting a little darker. Not real dark, just right. Okay, we'll get this out of here. Set it in there. That looks good. We're going to take a taste test here. Let's cut off. Let's cut, boy, that's juice coming out of there too. Let's just take a little bit here. Take that down. Here's some here. Now for the taste test. That is good. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe and hit that bell for future notifications. And if you'd like, please leave a comment. Thank you each and every one for watching.